Hello little friends, welcome to my color board. Today we're going to learn some fruits. Let's start. Let's learn the fruits names. Strawberry, cherry, watermelon, and apple. Good job, guys. Now let's learn some colors. Here we have violet, brown, sky blue, green, red, pink, dark blue, yellow, orange, and black. Good job, guys. Now let's count these markers. 1 marker, 2 markers, 3 markers, and 4 markers, 5 markers, 6 markers, 7 markers, and 8 markers, 9 markers, and 10. Here we have 10 markers, 10 color markers. Good job. And then let's color the fruits. Let's color with color markers. I love color markers. Do you like color markers? Let's color the strawberry with red. I love red. My favorite fruit is strawberry. I think strawberry is the most delicious fruit. Wow, good job, guys. And then now we need a black color marker for the seeds. Little black seeds. Perfect. Now let's color the leaf with light green. Try to draw and paint with me, guys. It is so easy. Good job. Wow, perfect. You did it great. And then let's color the cherry with red again. Red color. Try to color with me, guys. Here we have cute cherry. A cute cherry. Do you like cherry? I love sour cherry. Sour cherry. Do you like sour cherry or sweet cherry? Good job, guys. Now let's color the leaf. Perfect. Light green color. Good job. And then let's color the watermelon. Let's color the watermelon with pink. Here we have a magical watermelon. Do you like pink color? I love it. Pink watermelon. Good job. Wow, perfect. And then let's color the watermelon skin with dark green. Wow, isn't it so cute? It is so cute. And then let's draw the eyes. Perfect. Wow, good job, guys. Here we have eyelashes, nose, and a smiling mouth. Good job. And 2 rosy cheeks. And then here we have the watermelon seeds. Perfect! It is so cute. I'm obsessed with it. And then let's color the apple with orange. Orange apple. Here we have another magical fruit. Perfect. I love coloring. Coloring makes me feel so happy. Wow, good job. And then let's draw 2 big eyes. Perfect. Wow. And then eyelashes. Good job. Nose and smiling mouth. Perfect. Good job, guys. You did it awesome. And then let's color the lip. Light green. And then brown. Good job, guys. Here we have strawberry, cherry, watermelon, and apple. Red color, green. Red and green. Pink and dark green. Orange, green, and brown. Good job, guys. You did it awesome. If you like this video and you want to see more videos, please like and subscribe to the channel. Love you so much. Bye-bye.